All right, group, we are working on numbers 4 through 6 on our examples of domain and range notes. So this one here, this is a list of points. We call this a map or mapping, okay, because of the arrows. I could write that a lot nicer. So we call this mapping from one number to the other, okay? We don't want any repeated x values. So if you look at -6, it only goes to 8. 1 only goes to -8, 2 goes to -5, and 3 goes to 7. So there are no repeated x values, so yes, this is a function. For our domain, we list our numbers from least to greatest. These are our x and y. For our range, same thing, least to greatest. And that's how we make our list. Number 5 is continuous graph. And it is a function. It passes the vertical line test. For our domain and range, our domain, our x's continue all the way and all the way on the right. So since these will keep going on forever, we say that this is all real numbers, and we can write it from -infinity to infinity. For our range, it will also extend in both directions for forever. So we call this all real numbers from -infinity, and we make sure we put y in the middle to +infinity. No equal to's when it comes to infinity. Number 6 is very similar to number 4. So we always make sure that we list these in order. This is a list of points. We look to see if we have any repeated x values, and we do. We have 2 repeated for our x values, so no, it's not a function. You can make a little note that 2 is repeated. Okay, our domain is a list of all x in order. So we would have 1, 2, and then 6. Our range is -4, 5, 7, and 8.